Welcome to the Short Book Summaries channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to stay updated on each new book coming to this world. In case you like and want to buy this book, the link is given in the description below. Now enjoy the summary. Spark Joy is an in-depth, line-illustrated, room-by-room guide to decluttering and organizing your home. It covers every room in the house, from bedrooms and kitchens to bathrooms and living rooms, as well as a wide range of items in different categories, including clothes, photographs, paperwork, books, cutlery, cosmetics, shoes, bags, wallets and valuables. Charming line drawings explain how to properly organize drawers, wardrobes, cupboards and cabinets. The illustrations also show Ms Kondo's unique folding method, clearly showing how to fold anything from shirts, trousers and jackets to skirts, socks and bras. The secret to Marie Kondo's unique and simple KonMari tidying method is to focus on what you want to keep, not what you want to get rid of. Ask yourself if something sparks joy, and suddenly it becomes so much easier to understand if you really need it in your home and your life. When you surround yourself with things you love, you will find that your whole life begins to change. Marie Kondo's first book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying, presents her unique tidying philosophy and introduces readers to the basics of her KonMari method. It has already transformed the homes and lives of millions of people around the world. Spark Joy is Marie Kondo's in-depth tidying masterclass, focusing on the detail of how to declutter and organize your home. I just love Marie Kondo's aesthetics, her ideas and her ability to motivate me to tidy up. On any given day, I'd rather read than tidy up, and this book is the perfect compromise, as it puts me in the mood to get rid of anything that doesn't spark joy. I can just feel myself inching my way into a minimalist lifestyle.